So what's the secret to a fantastic slider?
All right, so we're talking sliders, 3 important things. Number 1, the bread. You gotta have good bread. If we're talking slider, you want a nice, soft, a little bit sweet, fun. The meat, gotta be cooked perfectly. And then really, I think what makes most sliders great is that sauce. Whatever you're putting on top of that thing has got to be perfect. A little sweet, maybe a little sour. Complement the meat that's inside. That's how you're gonna win this thing.
All right. What advice do you give to a beginning chef who's going to be cooking in his backyard for his family this summer?
All right, so for all those home chefs out there cooking in the backyard for the family, the best thing you can do is just get out there and do it. Have fun with it. You're gonna mess some stuff up, don't worry about it. Come back the next day and do it even better than you did the day before. That's what it's all about. The more you do, the better it's gonna be, and always have fun.
Awesome. Thanks, James.